Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix the 7 deadly sins origin game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller, select power button and then select restart PS5. After that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to rebuild database. For that switch off your PS5, hold down power button unless 2 beeps sound occur. Now leave the power button and enter safe mode. Here connect dual sense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. Next is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time. Before using it, this will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open settings on your PS5, then go to system. Here choose the language option in the left sidebar. Select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select the 7 deadly sins origin. Click on the restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to the user settings on PS5, then tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to check for game update. You have to ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating the game, launch it and check. Next is to delete game save file PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage. Then select the 7 deadly sins origin game and then check whether the game is opening or not. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings in your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available. Finally, choose update using internal option. Next is to reinstall the 7 deadly sins origin game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install the 7 deadly sins origin again to check for the error. The last method is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. You just have to explain whatever the issue you're coming across to the support team and they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.